Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to copyright a song. First, understand that your original musical work gains automatic copyright protection the moment it's fixed in a tangible medium. This means simply writing down your lyrics, creating a musical notation, or making an audio recording. While this automatic protection exists, formal registration with the U.S. Copyright Office provides significant legal advantages for enforcing your rights and proving ownership. To formally register your song, begin by ensuring it's in a tangible format, like a digital audio file or written sheet music. Next, navigate to the U.S. Copyright Office website and complete their online application. The filing fee for a single work can be as low as $35, making it quite accessible. Finally, you'll submit a copy of your song as a deposit, completing the registration process. When copywriting, you're typically dealing with two types: the musical composition and the sound recording. If you own both, you can often register them together. An online application for a single work usually costs between $35 and $65. For multiple unpublished songs, a group registration can be filed for about $85, offering a cost-effective way to protect several pieces. Registering your copyright provides crucial benefits. It establishes a public record of your ownership, making it easier to prove your rights. This registration is essential if you ever need to sue for infringement, allowing you to seek significant statutory damages. Generally, copyright protection lasts for the author's entire life, plus an additional 70 years, ensuring your musical legacy is secured for generations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.